Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel Smart Collections Plus. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will show you birthday dress ideas for 1-year-old baby girl. In this video you can see birthday baby girl dress designs, cute baby girl birthday party dresses, birthday party wear gown for baby girls. I will be glad if you appreciate my video by liking and sharing. Subscribe my channel for new updates and press the bell icon to get notification when I upload new video. Viewers, let's enjoy this video.